Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we fill colors in UFO. So let's start. First we fill light pink color. UFOs are a mystery. But also they are very interesting. Now we fill yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. And then in this also. And then we fill green color in this alien. You know kids, it's like a flying machine. What it look like? Flying machine. UFOs are very interesting. Now we fill blue color. Which color? Blue color. They can help you to figure out what is it and keep you safe. I hope you all enjoy this. Now we fill dark blue color. Which color? Dark blue color. Thanks for watching kids. Bye bye.